This is an episode for you and a memory for us. We needed some time. Away from home, away from the daily, the usual. Feel some of what the road has to offer again. Of the 4 weeks on this trip for me, 2 were for the family, and rightly so. Actually, the episode was only supposed to really get going tomorrow, but it really got going today. We are dead set to go to the beach, but it seems we're outnumbered. As he was dead set on a different beach, we changed locations and sat in the sand, watching the tide slowly move and the sunset for the first time in 2 years. This was the first real trip the girl and me went on since we came back into Germany with George in late 2019, and so much had changed. It was time to show the little one some of the world we loved. As much as they take from you, if you watch them grow up, it just doesn't compare to anything else.
Whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa!
It was supposed to be raining right now. Like, seriously raining. Yet it's sunny. And even, look! There isn't a cloud in the sky. Anyway, we are going to change locations today, because while we wanted to do a cross Portugal road trip with the little one, it's really not that. Forget that. We'll get to it. Okay, I thought long and hard about what the theme of this episode could be, and I came up with nothing, honestly. So if you're seeing this,
that means I still haven't come up with anything on the way, and we are just going to make a travel video. Why aren't we camping? Well, this is the current state with kid at 50% cleanup. So we have stuff here, child seat up there for drying, this, all of this, food from yesterday, and for the kid, the coffee setup, all the camera gear, loads more stuff on the table, more stuff, more things, wet clothes, and then the obvious, our clothes,
the baby,
and Mr. Terror. How do you think that would go with a rooftop tent and 1.5 square meters of total space? I'm sorry, I tip my head, but unless you have every day to just do camping, I don't think it's a feasible thing. And that, my friends, is the reason why we took Airbnbs. So why would we drive across Portugal for no apparent reason? There is an apparent coincidence.
A couple days earlier, I got a message from a dear friend who somehow planned a trip into Portugal the exact time we were there. And you know me, I'll take any reason to drive further. In this case, in the rain. For some inexplicable reason, our timing coincided with the cloudiest and rainiest possible weeks Portugal had seen in months. Well, so all we could do is take it.
From the Holy Ghost, marked by shivers. Preacher says, whoa, he knows. Throne.
It is a fantastic road, but it's really not that dry today.
Fantastic is an understatement. Zero traffic, perfect turns, incredible views. One thing became certain. I had to do some exploration before heading off again. But certainly not on that day.
On a California sea, found my breath right in the middle of the Ozarks. Take it down by the Willamette River. Washed up on a California sea, found my breath right in the middle. The Ozarks near Silent Spring.
In case you haven't picked it up, We're down south now. We're in Tavira, which is actually past where we're supposed to go, but we're early and we didn't have any food and it rained real bad, so... Careful! I have the food. Do you want food? Ma'am. Usually he never wants to leave the driver's seat. I don't know what this is about now. Ooh, bub. Ma. Nya.